Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba u Conrad ke sangmau lapan pa ba 4 dadan kam banwan ra daga resolution hayang darbar thawan persaya ke jingtmu penteri Kmie ke uniform civil code hagani darbar sanrai ke bansalong mentah. Habakli la ke sarkar kan wan ra daga resolution ban persaya ke UCC ba ya Forest Conservation Amendment Act arajar arpulai. U Conrad ula ong bahadu mentah 4 UE ke bill habaya de ba ke UCC bat 4 la ban ong AA bat an persaya ke ai haba 4 UE. Labu jeng kelipan ban syubu Lada ka UCC ko ang ban Shim jat no nakakantay tharay ka Meghalaya kan Pdiang. Kum taw lo ang bakat bampat UE ya ka batho ha kata ka UCC amla ban syukran da ka basu antat balada ong banwara da ka resolution kan day halor ka
I've not seen the UCC bill. Is that UCC bill has been what?
Meghalaya does. No, for the sake of seeking an exemption.
From what?
Whether not to be implemented in India. Whether the government has
solution. No, suppose the UCC says that the whole of India should become a matrilineal society. Shall I oppose it? No, I'm just asking you that if the UCC, as in when you're asking me to oppose it, suppose the UCC says tomorrow, I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying if the UCC has the thing that's saying that the UCC will be in terms of the lineage. From now on, India will be lineage towards the girl child, and so the lineage will be from the mother, and so this is the new UCC.
We are not anticipating that.
No, I'm not saying. So what are you anticipating? So I don't know what to anticipate is what I'm asking you. What to object is what I'm asking you. UCC, you're asking me to come out with something, resolution on what? Give me a document, then I will tell you whether I can object to it or not. Because tomorrow, suppose UCC says that the lineage will be from the mother. I think Meghalaya will be the first one to accept it. I'm asking you for details. So therefore, what I'm saying is, we can't go for anything under assumptions. We are running a government out here. And as a government, what I'm saying is that a UCC in general, if you look at it as a thought process and as an idea for a diverse nation like country, looks very difficult is what I'm saying. So therefore, it's not something that can go very easily for a country like India, is my stand. But what to object or not to object or resolution to pass depends on what is it that the UCC is coming for. Without seeing the document, I cannot comment is what I'm saying.
But the National Law Commission is only there. Maybe their documents are there.
No, the National Law Commission is only taking views. Where is the bill? You have to give me the bill to read, and then I'll tell you whether I support or don't support. If the bill says tomorrow that whole of India will become an matrilineal country, I think maybe Meghalaya will be the first one to support.
Is there any...
Hawakali halor ka Forest Amendment Act arajar arpulai. Uloong bakani ka an ka keren chapang ka jingbam dan kam ban yu jingbet na katanat klaw habale ki project. Habakali halor ki project ki basya ban pentrei khalam da Shim jingbet Lada ka jaka ka don hapo 6 kilometer na kaput jong kari. U Conrad uloong baka ka ba dan kam ban Shim jingbet ka tang na katanat klaw henry don kam pat ban Shim jingbet na ki wei pan kum na ka jilla district council rangba snong bat ki wei ki badai ban yu jingbet. Ula ay nuksa kung may kasurok silong daw ki kabasa akot na marba 4 yu jingbet na katanat klaw. Kung taga ni kaan ko ang ba dan kam man Shim jingbet na katanat klaw. Henday kamot pat ba dan kam Shim jingbet shu kum na katanat sipay hagijaka bas na surok kum hatay na shirpi. Kadon ka jing syapting baga jing penkalay kani kaan kan kata bhay kijaka hagatan sitay lamingi kamtam kijaka ki badon hakaput bat ki way kiri. Namar ko ong ba kinu ki project ki badai na kabenta ka jingbha jong kari la banle khlem da Shim jingbet na katanat klaw.
Yeah, so forest clearance is the thing, but there are multiple clearances which are required from state, which are required from district council, which are required from the Rangbashno, which is required from ABCD organizations. There's no exemption to those. Please understand, what is the objective of the forest clearance is that they are saying now a project like Doki Road. We are stuck because there's a forest clearance there. Example, we have been asked, this whole Doki, this road was there, Shillong, the Shirpi area, all these things was, they will not be required forest clearance anymore. So we have had to seek forest clearance for that road, we don't have to seek anymore. But does that mean that we don't require the clearance from army? We need to because the land is there. Does it mean we don't require district council? We need it because district council land is there. I mean, their jurisdiction is there. Does it mean that we don't have to seek the government of Meghalaya's thing or PhD department? Doesn't mean that we have to. So, absolutely not. It is only meant for forest clearance that tomorrow big ticket projects that are being hindered because of forest coming into the picture, like the 2-lane, 4-lane to Dauki, tomorrow we don't have to take any clearance from Forest Department for Dauki Road. But all other clearances for Dauki Road, as per law, will still be required.
So what is your message? Because
My message is
there
that
fair, so that you allay all these fears.
absolutely, I've explained some part to it to you now only, and I'm happy to discuss it in the assembly to bring full clarity on the matter. No problem.
Sir-
And if anybody has any questions, please come and you can always ask.